There's been a lot of research about the vaccine for the COVID-19 virus. Well, why is this important? Even before that, how does the coronavirus even affect the person?
The three main components of a CoV-2 virus are the protein capsid, the S-spike protein, and RNA strands. When the virus gets into a person's lungs, the S-spike protein attaches to the ACE2 receptors on the membranes of the alveoli cells. Think of it as a key opening the gate. The protein capsid then releases the RNA into the human cell. The RNA then hijacks the ribosomes to produce more viruses. The cell soon bursts from the sheer number of viruses being created.
As the number of damaged alveoli cells rises, the immune system kicks in, kind of like bodyguards.
Macrophages do phagocytosis. They basically eat other invaders. They also have the ability to present the invaders' antigens on the MHC receptors. Antigens are foreign substances that cause an immunoresponse. Natural killer cells are next, and do a lot of damage both to good and bad cells. When even that doesn't work, the dendritic cells summon T cells by presenting the invaders' antigens. As you can see, macrophages also can do this. Naive T cells then turn into helper T cells once the dendritic cells activate them. These helper T cells are the ones that alert the B cells to create antibodies, which are Y-shaped proteins that bind to an invader's body. Both B cells and T cells have memory cells, which activate the body's antibody system.
So the COVID-19 vaccine will give us immunity with memory cells without being sick.
Vaccines inject a weaker form of the virus that still alerts the immune system, but without the same risks as the virus at full strength. There are 4 different vaccines that accomplish this. Live attenuated vaccines use a weakened form of the virus. This is a riskier option for people with weakened immune systems, but only 1 injection is needed for the memory cells to be created. On the other hand, the next 3 types of injections need booster shots to increase the effectiveness of the vaccine. These injections produce fewer memory cells, but people with weakened immune systems can have these with lower risks. Inactivated vaccines use viruses that are killed. Subunit vaccines use parts of the virus, and toxoid vaccines use the toxin from the virus.
Typically, vaccines take decades to create, but programs such as Operation Warp Speed fund billions of dollars in order to speed the process up. A vaccine usually goes through 4 phases before it's approved. These are the number of COVID-19 vaccines in each phase.
Some of the main companies are Moderna and BioNTech with mRNA vaccines, Sinopharm with inactivated vaccines, and Johnson & Johnson and AstraZeneca with viral vector vaccines.
Even though this progress, it's essential to keep proper precautions such as wearing a mask, doing social distancing, and using soap. The hope is by early 2021, we'll have a vaccine. But in the meanwhile, stay safe, wear a mask, and keep your distance.